Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the narrator on and off on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings, and then open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Narrator. Here in the Narrator settings, you can turn the narrator on or off. When you turn it on, you will see information about new shortcuts, and when you close it, the Narrator Home app will be open, which contains lots of information about using the tool. Back in the settings, you can choose to start narrator at sign in, and below you can change the narrator's voice. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.